Hi guys, so this is your host Muskan from Mirza Properties. As you can see, we have come up with a very luxurious and grand project named Sai World City, which is located in Panvel. So the total land parcel of our project is 32 acres. So in total we have 13 towers. We have phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. In phase 1 we have total 4 towers which consist of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK, and phase 2 has 3 towers which consist of 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK. So it's an ultra luxurious segment with 27 to 33 story tower. Talking about the parking area, we have total 4 levels of parking. Basement number 1, basement 2, ground floor and first floor. The second floor is the podium floor and residential starts from the third floor. So now talking about the connectivity, so it's just 5 to 8 minutes drive away from railway station, 10 to 15 minutes drive away from airport, and Nhava Shava Sea Link is just 20 minutes drive away approximately. So our project is next to Mumbai Pune and Mumbai Goa highway. So now you can have a look at the model of our project.
So this is the module of our phase 1 project. So as you can see, we'll be getting a lot of amenities. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे आपको गार्डन मिल रहा है. You'll be getting designer courtyard. So by the side of our project there's a river. So यहाँ पर हमें football court भी मिल रहा है. There's children's play area. There's courtyard. There's sitting outlets. So there is jogging track and cycling track as well. We have multi-purpose court as well. We have performance stage. Now we have designer courtyards, meditation area. So we have many more amenities. So now I'll be showing you the module of the phase 2 project of our project. So this is the module of phase 2 of our project. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, it's a very luxurious project. So you'll be getting car parking and gardens. So designer courtyard भी आपको मिलने वाला है, and there's a lot of space for the parking as well. So यहाँ पर जो आपको बीच में space दिख रही है, that is for the Club Vegas, which would be constructed really soon. तो Club Vegas में आपको world class amenities मिलने वाले हैं, and you'll be getting an infinity swimming pool as well on the terrace. So phase 2 में आपको बहुत सारी amenities भी मिल रही है apart from the Club Vegas. So indoor and outdoor activities आपको provided हैं यहाँ पर. So phase 2 में every building would be having separate entrance. So this is an inside view of the amenities. So you'll be getting garden, you'll be getting sitting area, you'll be getting amphitheater as well. You'll be getting children's play area, slides and all that for the children. So this is a very small tour of the phase 2 of our project. So I hope you liked it.
So we are entering our sample flat of 3 BHK. Let's have a tour. So the build-up area of our sample flat is 1855 square feet. Now we have entered the living hall. As you can see, it's very spacious. The wallpaper would be provided. You can have a look at it. It's so pretty. So this is the sitting area. As you can see, बहुत ही sweet सा sitting area बनाया है, और आपको view enjoy करने के लिए there is a window as well. You can have a look. Now this is the dining hall. यहाँ पर you can arrange it according to you, जैसे कि आपको arrange करना है. Now this is the kitchen. We'll be entering the kitchen. Now here आपको L shape का यहाँ पे platform दिया जा रहा है. The tiles will be provided. The gas and this is also provided. Even the water filter is provided, but the modular kitchen won't be provided. It's just an example कि जैसे आप arrange करना चाहते हैं, so आप इसको अपने according modular kitchen की तरह arrange कर सकते हैं. Now यहाँ पर भी आपको एक window provided है, so you can have a look at it. The window is provided. Again, this is also provided. Kitchen is very spacious. यहाँ पे आराम से 4 to 5 people can come and have like a nice cooking experience. Socket is also provided. You can have a look at it. So let's move. So we're entering the common washroom or the common restroom. So it's a western restroom. As you can see, fittings are all branded from Jaguar. Now shower is also provided. Again, fittings are really amazing. So sanitaries are also branded. They are from Russell Khema UAE. You can have a look at it. It is very pretty. यहाँ पर आपको storage space भी दी जा रही है. Now we'll be entering the common bedroom. So this is a common bedroom, which is very sweet. Again, the wallpaper is provided, as you can see. Have a look at it. Okay. So now आपको attached balcony दी जा रही है यहाँ पे. You can have a look at it. You'll have an amazing view. So this is the balcony. Again, it is attached balcony. यहाँ पे भी आराम से लोग बैठ सकते हैं. You know, they can chill. It's a very nice place. Now again, passage area में you'll be getting a wash basin. As you can see, it's very sweet. And again, storage space के लिए will be provided. So यहाँ पे washing machine space दी गई है. Washing machine is not provided, but आपको एक arrangement दी जा रही है, as you can see. Now this is the second bedroom or the master bedroom. Wallpaper again is provided, and again you can have a look at the balcony. So this is attached balcony to the first bedroom. Okay. Now this is the attached washroom to our master bedroom. Again, I'm so much in love with this setup. This is so pretty, the wash basin. यहाँ पर आपको again western washroom दिया जा रहा है. This is the shower. So I know that everyone wishes to have this shower. It's an automatic shower, and you can have a look at it. यहाँ पर आपको dry area दिया गया है. You can arrange it according to you. Washing machine रख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Dry area, you can dry up your clothes over here. So it's very nice. बहुत अच्छे से आप सब कुछ arrange कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. So now let's enter the master bedroom. Wow, this is so pretty. Wooden flooring is provided. So obviously I'm in so love with the wooden flooring. You can have a look at the. It is really pretty. Again, आपको sitting area दिया जा रहा है यहाँ पे. So you can sit and enjoy your view. Window is also provided. So यहाँ से window भी open कर सकते हैं if you wish. Again, an attached washroom, western washroom. Again, shower दिया जा रहा है यहाँ पे. Wash basin is so pretty. So you'll have a look at the washroom. So again, आपको यहाँ पे separate shower की space दी जा रही है. So yeah, that's it. So this was a tour of sample flat of 3 BHK. So I really hope that you liked it. Do comment down below. So keep following us. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I hope to see you again. Bye. So we are having the tour of 4 BHK show flat, which is fully furnished, of Sai World City, which is in Panvel. Let's have a look at it. The build-up area of our flat is 2945 square feet. Now as you can see, this is provided. Shoe rack provided hai. Let's move inside. So this is the living hall, and it is so pretty. Like you can see, you can arrange your sofa set over here. You can have your table over here. TV unit is also provided. Even speakers you can keep, as you can see. So an attached balcony, which is again quite spacious. So this is also a suite area where you can arrange it according to you. So let's have a look at the dining area. So this is the dining area, which is so pretty. Like you can arrange it in a very nice way because it's very spacious. So apne members ke according you can arrange it. Again, it's very nice. So this is the open kitchen. Now let's have a look at the open kitchen. So double platform and black granite platform is available. You'll be getting 2 sinks, which is very sweet. Attached balcony again. So you'll be getting this and this with the flat. The chimney is provided. Water filter is also provided. यहाँ पे आपको fridge के लिए space दी गई है. Even the sockets are there. Now let's have a look. This wash basin is also provided in the passage area. You have storage space as well. Now we'll be entering first bedroom. Now this is so pretty. You can arrange it in a very nice way. आप यहाँ पे अपना king size, queen size bed रख सकते हो. Wardrobe के लिए यहाँ पर space दी गई है. Again, attached balcony with a very pretty view. You can have a look. So we are entering to the washroom. It's Western washroom. The sanitaries are again branded and they are from Russell Khema UAE. Fittings are from Jaguar. Now you'll be getting a separate space for the shower. Again, I'm so much in love with this. Now you have a dry area. You can have a look. The dry area where you can dry up your clothes. So pretty. Now we are entering to the second bedroom. Oh my god, it is so pretty. You can arrange your bed in a very beautiful way. You can have a look at it. आप ऐसे ही arrange कर सकते हैं. King size bed. Even the TV you can arrange it. यहाँ पे TV unit provided है. So now this is the walk-in wardrobe. You can have a look. This is so pretty. Walk-in wardrobe के लिए space provided है यहाँ पर. You can arrange. So again, an attached washroom. Sanitaries and fittings are branded. Again, you're getting space for the shower. So you have this shower space over here. You can have a look. Storage space is also provided if you want to arrange it according to you. Now let's move. So again, you have 2 bedrooms to that side and 2 bedrooms over here. So we'll be entering common bedroom or the third bedroom. So again, attached balcony, and you can see it is very sweet. So you can arrange your bed, you can arrange your wardrobe. Again, TV unit is again provided. You can have a look at the TV unit, you can have a look at this view. It's so fascinating. So this is the common washroom, the common restroom. Again, Western restroom, shower in a separate area, Jaguar fittings. Now finally we've entered the fourth master bedroom. So I'm so much in love with this one. You can see you can arrange it in a very nice way. You can arrange your king size bed and you don't need to have a wardrobe space over here because you'll be getting a walk-in wardrobe over there. TV unit is also provided. So this is the walk-in wardrobe area where you can arrange. Now I'm entering to the washroom. So we have a very spacious washroom over here. Again, a Western washroom, shower and a dry area. So I am so fascinated with this show flat. So much in love with it. So I hope you liked our video. Do comment down below for more details. Keep following us. Do like and subscribe to our channel. I hope you loved it. See you again. Bye bye.